How to bring back the status vertical style in WhatsApp. Here's how. To start with, open your WhatsApp application on your device. Next, head over to the update section located at the bottom of your screen. Once you are there, scroll down to see the list of channels you are following. In order to revert WhatsApp back to the normal layout, you will need to unfollow all the channels you are currently following. To do that, open any channel. Then tap the three-dot icon at the top right corner. After that, select Unfollow channel from the menu that appears and confirm your action. Then repeat this process for each channel until you have unfollowed all of them. At this point, WhatsApp should automatically switch back to the original layout. However, if the layout hasn't changed yet, simply close the WhatsApp app and reopen it again. As you can see, the interface should now return to the vertical style. That's it. This is how to bring back the status vertical style in WhatsApp.